Ready?
Rope.
Okay, don't let it.
No, you're better off moving that
One on the
fast.
other side to keep one on this side.
Well, you got to pivot.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, go towards you a little bit, or roll the stuff away.
Yeah.
Roll away.
Come on.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, one just mark.
One,
Just keep
two,
it balanced
three.
from leaning back on that side.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, up, up. Okay, now walk that in. Go towards you.
No, walk it out. Walk it out.
Another 6 inches.
Ready? Hey!
Okay, stop. Okay, lift it up and come towards me.
Stop.
Lift it up and pull it away.
That way.
I'm with
That
you.
way.
I got the whole end over here.
To your left.
1 inch your way.
There you go.
One more inch.
One more inch. To the left. Now we're going on top. We're going to sit the right. I got you. Okay.
Now, before we screw it, this whole thing probably has to go that way just a little bit.
All right.
Where?
How's that look?
That seems good. Oh, when the sun beats down the storm heat of an
Everybody
angry
gather around.
room.
Gather around and sing over there.
You want me to reach it?
Oh, no,
And
I
your
got it.
feet are so
No,
hot,
I want to grab it from the
it
other.
feels like they're fireproof.
Thank you.
Keep going.
That's all I know.
They're
Under the bubble with my baby, where I'll be. Who says working can't be fun?
under the boardwalk.